Okay, this problem says, which of the following integrals gives the length of the graph y equals sine of the square root of x between x equals a and x equals b, where 0 is less than a, which is less than b. So as a dx problem, we're going to be using this formula. So really, the heart of this problem is in figuring out what this is. Our function isn't that trivial, right? It's sine of root x. So we're gonna have to use a chain rule. That's kind of the heart of the matter in this problem, to be honest. The formula is just you should know the formula. So there's not even like a, right? It still is just a and b. It's just generic. But here, I'll put a big square root here. We just gotta go find dy dx. So if y is sine of root x, then dy dx by the chain rule would be, so it'd be cosine of root x, and then by the chain rule I times by the derivative of the inside, which is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. And we may clean up our answer a little bit, because look at the answer choices, right? The other thing is we have to square this if you look at our expression. So let's clean it up a little bit. So this would be cosine of root x. The x can come down with the 2 and become a square root again. And so if I square that, that becomes cosine squared of root x divided by 2 squared is 4 and root x squared is x. So that should be cosine squared root x divided by 4x. And where do we see that? Let's look carefully. That looks like, again, be careful because D and E look similar, but it's really D that we're looking for. Okay, if you just write it as 1/4x instead of division.